What's up, Metro Anglers? Back out here at the top of the basin, try to do some fall bass fishing, and I got my spinnerbait on. Well, we're gonna see what's gonna bite that. Not that. Throw swim bait, and then crank bait, maybe a jerk bait in between. See what happens. Recent rains kind of dirty up the water. This way I like it. Now it's time to get some fish. Stay tuned, see what happens. Got one on. Oh, it's a nice one too. Woo, look at that. Come here. Come. Let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Oh, that's a nice bass. Oh, good. You see that boat flip? Oh, look at this pig. Oh, I got him all dressed in mud though. Oh, look at this pig. Oh, nice bass right here on a spinnerbait. Had a boat flip. I thought I was gonna break my rod to that one. Oh, that's beautiful. Oh, look at that one. Oh, I don't think it's PB though. He's up there. He's like 4 or 5. Gotta be. Yeah, look at that bass. Get some. Yeah. Spinnerbaits, baby. Hit that one on the blue white chartreuse. That one got Colorado blades on it. There's a gold and silver one on it. Man, look at that. Look at that hand on it. But damn, yo. That's like a 5-pounder. Let me see if I got my scale. Oh. Bass whisper. Let's go. Thank you.
Yeah, that's a beauty.
Yeah. It's about 5.5. All right, you guys.
All right,
Yeah,
yeah, that's what I do too.
Swam straight down. All right. 10 minutes in, you gotta see where I started. That's the bridge right there. I made about 5 casts, or at least 5, maybe 7 casts. Real quick casts, and he hit it subsurface too. Well, I wouldn't say so. Okay, maybe in the middle. It's falling tide. I'm throwing spinnerbaits right around the bank here. I mean, he picked that thing up like it was nothing too. Straight hammered it. Spinnerbaits, fall time. So let's see what else we could get. You know, as today couldn't get better. How about a PB Smallie? That's definitely PB for me. Oh, look at that fish. He hit it the first time. Oh, look, somebody else had it too, mister. Let's see the line coming out of. Damn, yo. PB Smallie. Let's go. You about, I'd say about 2.5 maybe. Maybe not even that. I say 2.25. Oh. Damn, yo. Ow! Yeah, somebody cut a line on him. Choked something down there. Look at that line. Let's go. Let's go, PB Smallie. Yeah. Let me get a picture of them and I'll release them. Woo. So, let these guys go by.
Yeah, I thought it was really interesting because they're like, oh, we're gonna like.
Alright. It's like, I don't know, 7 o'clock right now. Been out since, say 2 at the latest. Caught 2 bass. 1 smallmouth, 1 largemouth. Smallie was around 2.5. Largemouth was a brute 5+ all day. But I did bring my crappy gear, so I only got bass stuff. Got a crankbait on, so try to hit some weed lines, see if any bass hang around there, some walleye, some other game fish, and see what happens. Pretty good night though. Not cold, not windy. Might not be good for fishing, but good for the body and soul. So I'll get back at you guys once I hook up with something else or be at outro. So let's see what happens. Well, turns out it's going to be an outro. 2 bass. 1 smallmouth, 2.5. 1 largemouth, 5.5, 6 pounds maybe. Solid day, I guess. I guess that rain really shut the fishing down. Seen a couple catfishermen out there that they ain't really catching nothing either. So who knows? Supposed to get rain tomorrow. Today's Wednesday, November 7th. Yeah, November 7th. Supposed to rain tomorrow, so yeah, it's probably gonna be off again. Another front comes in. Crappie fishing's been off. It's been tough this week, but yeah, I caught some fish, and these are not skunk though. Yeah, I really be blowing the flag out skunk. I had a couple bites all around the tidal basin. Tried to fish down the Potomac a little bit more. Nothing. Thanks for watching the video. Be sure to keep editing and get you guys more videos. I know I've been slowing down a little bit between work and family. I think it's been a little rough with time, but gradually I'm getting back into it and getting back to some more catfishing. So I've got some more catfishing videos coming up, and I'm trying to get some more crappie vids out for you guys. And stay tuned. Now, you haven't hit that. You haven't hit that. They said this was easy. If you ever hit that subscribe button, hit that subscribe button for me, and stay tuned and catch more videos out here. And shout out to Grant. I met a guy named Grant today, new subscriber. Thanks for subscribing. He's a catfisherman. Hopefully I'll put him in a couple videos as well. And check you guys out later. It's been a tough day, man.